As we know, 21st century has opened up ample new opportunities for students. So what is the role of schools and educators to help students to meet 21st century needs?
Now you said 24th century is something, which has many opportunities for children. Not only 24th century, all the centuries that have gone by had wonderful opportunities for everyone, especially the students, because the students are the, future of every country. So it means that now, because it is 21st century and Pakistan has become a global patient rather after COVID-19 and everything, and the economy which is going down the drain nowadays. So the best part of a student should be the character building, ample opportunities mein aayega, that you have to have the patience to learn everything which is coming your way. Everything. And life is so easy now, I think, as far as getting education is concerned, because it's just on the palm. Your mobiles, your everything is present inside, and all the questions are being answered by the machine. Whether there is a woman in front of you or no, the machine will answer you. So you have to have the opportunities of becoming a wonderful, educated, wise human being.